So, welcome. I want to show you something really simple. It's an attack from Lasso that can be a little sneaky. I like sneaky. Alright? And I'm just going to go right into it. Man, it's going to be super fast. So, we're going to show this kind of similar methodology from two different, slightly different situations. Right now, I'm just going to enter into the spider lasso. I'm not going to talk about setup much. So, I have spider and a lasso, right? So, from here, this is where we're going to initiate our attacks. So this is a different way, or I would say a less common way to get to the triangle from spider and lasso. So right now I have a lasso, like I'm moving him. He's right now still on his knees. Look, I have this lasso so deep that I can kind of pull his lat and his body towards me by curling my knee to my chest and bringing my foot as close to my head as possible. As he comes closer, all I want to do is bring my heel tight, bite down on his forearm, and then I'm gonna let go of the sleeve. If I bite tight enough, it should take him at least like a half second or more to pull that arm out. And it's in that transition where I'm going to switch the grip. So like here, I'm pulling him in, comes a little close, boom, bite, grab the head, pull the posture in, shoot the leg through. As I shoot the leg through it, knee passes the shoulder line, and then look, my hip's gonna move to the right, knee closes. And then look, I swivel, 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 boom, grip, clap, lock, flex the feet, pinch the knees, finish, all right? So, from a different angle, same thing, boom, lasso, deep, pull in, pinch, shoot for the head, kick through, hip swivel, clamp, clamp, lock, pinch, and then finish. Alright? Now, here's a slightly different scenario now. Same methodology, but like I'm in lasso, spider, and he's standing up. So, the spider by itself can be a challenge because he can just hit there and start blowing past it, boom. So when I add the lasso, now it's a little hard for him to blow past, but he's far, like man, the distance for me travel from letting go the sleeve to controlling the head is too far. He's gone, right? So I can still clamp, pinch in, pull him in, but instead of reaching all the way up here, because he's already gone, I can pull him through. Right? I'm going to grab a closer target, right? So here, clamp it in, tight and deep. And then instead of going for the head, I'm gonna go for the collar. Do the same thing, pull in, hip swivel, lock, clamp, and then finish. And I don't know if I'll put this on video yet, but the reason I'm keeping the sleeve is because one of the ways that people respond to the triangle is they take this arm, they reach across, oh man, he's doing a different escape. That's fine too. So he's still using the arm, but like one thing I want to address is like when people take this arm all the way across, drive the knee to the chest, right? So they drive this knee, my knee, shoulder pressure. Right? So by controlling the sleeve and punching it out, now when he tries to cut that corner, turn his hips and all that stuff, he tries to stack me. Man, he's just making my task easier, right? By stiff arming that arm away, I kill his angle adjustment, I force him to stay in my strike zone, and I can finish a lot easier. So, man, it also addresses your escape as well. Yeah. When you grab the pendant knee. I have that same escape, just a random thing. It was my #1 escape for the longest period of time, and then I switched it. I even used it like at Europeans at gold belt in the absolute, was it semifinals? Quarterfinals. I used it in the quarterfinals. It's a good one. Yeah. Pin the knee, and I also step over it with it. You know? So it's a good one. But if I control the sleeve, I can kill that one too. So that was an extra tidbit in addition to this particular methodology for attacking the triangle off the lasso. Man, have fun with it.